Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. We're going to show you how to press our no-trim masks.
Right after this. Okay, so today in this video, we are going to be pressing our no-trim face mask. It does have nice ear straps on the side, as well as an adjustable tab when working with this. So let's get started.
Okay, we're going to do our design in Photoshop and print to the F570. All right, and I'm going to trim it up a little bit just to get some of the edges off. Okay, when trimming the edges, make sure you leave a little bit of white so you can place your tape there. And then center it on your design. And when using the templates, you will have a great bleed area, so you won't get any white areas. And I'm going to pass this to Jamie.
Okay, so today we are going to be using our Hotronix Fusion, and we are going to be using a foam pillow. What I like to do is I like to use a silicone sheet on top so ink does not get on the foam pillow, and then transfer to your next press and you can use it again. We are going to tuck our tabs underneath the foam as well, just so they do not get melted in the press. And then we are going to be covering with a piece of silicone sheet as well. I'm pressing today at 385 degrees for 45 seconds at a medium pressure.
And while that's pressing, we are doing a large size mask there. We also do have this in a medium and a small, which would fit a child.
Okay, so we're wearing our thermal gloves today. Our press is done. I'm just gonna slide this out, remove all of our layers. Okay, so this is our face mask. So this is the perfect item. It's very breathable, flexible. It's made out of moldal fabric, which is found common in pajama pants. So it's very soft, flexible. It's gonna feel really nice on your skin. Anything else you wanna add in, Meredith?
I think the best part of this is the fact that you can adjust it to any size face.
It is perfect for that. So again, check out our different sizes online at coastalbusiness.com, along with our instructions and our templates. We will see you next time.